Okay, so I'm going to go over how to determine the square footage for a building. Looking at the architectural drawings, I usually come here, I'm looking for the address also. So on the right-hand side, I'm just zooming in a little bit. I'm on my Mac computer and I just tap my laptop twice, my touchpad. I see the address for the job is not here. This is the owner probably, AIA architect or owner. That's his address. This is the job site address. Okay. This is Hawkeye. I guess this is the partnership, their address. Hawkeye maybe is the owner. This is the architect. And this is the address for the job site. So then I come over to my job and look at the building. Should see a square footage here. We got 145. I got 145 here. 145 feet, 145 feet of this whole space. But we're not going to be cleaning outside of here. Matter of fact, okay, our square footage is here. So we got lucky. Okay. But if we didn't have this square footage here, how we determine that is 145 times, let's see, let me zoom in. 117 in this space. So this is actually 117. And we should have this square footage also because we're going to end up having to discalculate minus this section. Well, looks like, what is this? A building? So if we do, that says 68,000. Let's say I do 145 times 117. That equals 16,000. So there's 16,000, but that's only the ground level. You got to see, this is 6 stories. So if we didn't know this was 6 stories, I would think the building was length times width, 145. 145 times 117 is actually 16,000. This is 16,009. So 17,000, let's say 17,000 at 6 stories times 6, 102,000. So that means roughly, I think this is about 40,000 square feet. That's calculations, right? That's not right. So what I was looking at just there was I was going to do length times width at 145 times 117. And I got 17,000 or 16,009 at at six stories. Counting my first story, we got 84,000. So what that means is I did our first square footage, our first level of 16,009 times 5. That gave us 6 stories. I was at 84,000. Then I do minus, if I really wanted to not count this space, and that's what that is, 84,000 minus 68,000. This is about 16,000 square feet that we're not going to be cleaning. So what I did was length times width, but I got 17,000. Then I realized it was 6 stories, so I did times 5. If we don't know it's 6 stories, then what do we do? You're totally off. That's why you have to see the building. Okay, we talked about one set of drawings, and that was a good idea of how you can calculate square footage when you're looking at architectural drawings.